bike debut on the channel. Got the 2006 Suzuki V-Strom. Got it a couple years ago. Haven't really done much work or maintenance on it.
It's been on the low budget plan.
It's on the low budget plan. Bought it from a friend who had some, I don't even know what. He's drilled all kinds of holes in the windshield.
He probably had like a GPS mount on there.
GPS mounted on there, but it needs a little bit of work. It's leaking oil in this area. Haven't quite figured that out yet. If anybody's got any suggestions on what that might be.
That's on the list of stuff to fix.
That's on the list of stuff to fix. And probably needs new tires. But yeah, today we're gonna change the windshield. Got this new, just got it on Revzilla. It's just a zero gravity tinted windshield. Hopefully it'll look a lot better. We just got a couple screws to take out of here.
What are you gonna do about losing your Deals Gap sticker?
I think I have some at home, and that's not even my sticker.
It looks like an antique sticker though.
It is an antique. This whole thing's antique.
How many miles do you think you've got on it?
It's got like 51,000 on it. I don't know how many I've put on it. I think it had maybe 41,000 on it when I got it. So.
You ain't put 10,000 miles on this.
Okay. I don't know how many I put on it.
No way.
Maybe 5,000?
Yeah, you probably put 5 on it.
I don't remember how many it had on it when I got it.
What year is it?
I need to get new bags for the back of it. I'm not sure what kind of I'm gonna get yet.
I like them bags like Randy's got, the soft-sided ones.
So, yeah.
Hey, one of these.
Sure.
Twisted tea in here too.
It's like 3 years old.
Is that what you told you?
Probably.
This is just a one beer thing, right?
One beer thing. How's this thing go on here?
It's probably got a couple different positions. Well, you can put it here.
No, it goes there.
Yeah, that's where it goes. Melting.
Melting instruction. Why would you want to melt this?
Melting instrument cluster precaution. I don't know what that
if
would
you park it a certain way facing the sun blasts through that windshield and will melt stuff on your dash.
What? Who said?
That's what that sticker there says.
Did you read that and say that?
No, my Memphis.
No, it's due to the shape of some windscreens.
Wow.
My Memphis Shades windshield had a precaution thing on it too. When I put on there
I don't think my Clockworks windshield said anything like that.
the sun can't blast the instruments on that because it only sticks up 4 inches past your fairing.
Am I doing something wrong here?
They can't figure out how to put a screw in.
Here, right?
That's
I
why.
think so.
It says to park it. I don't know which way it says to park it. Park it a certain way.
Like facing south.
Yeah, facing south. Park it so the sun's not magnifying through. It's like a magnifying glass.
This ain't working. Something don't feel right.
See, this one tightens up.
Does that one tighten up?
Yeah.
Is that one stripped out?
I don't know.
Yeah, this one tightened up. Just tighten it up. You said to give it the. It's not gonna be torque them all for you.
Torqued. Make sure you put them at
There.
20 inch pounds.
Oh, torque.
I'm gonna torque this one down. That looks like a new bike already.
Gotta start somewhere.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think you're gonna do next to it?
I really need to get my bag situation fixed because that bag is just zip tied on there.
What about the oil leak? You don't want to diagnose the oil leak?
The oil leak is pretty important too.
Oh, it looks good on there.
Yep. I like it. I don't really like this sticker. I need the behind the bars 859 sticker on there.
I'm gonna fix that.
Oh man. That's terrible.
You want that on there or you want to wait till a smaller
I'll
one's
probably
good?
get a smaller one.
Alright.
What can I clean that off with?
That's what it's gonna look like that.
There we go. Alright, yep. We'll be back soon for another video on the V-Strom. We're gonna get the oil leak fixed and get the bags sorted out. Yep, we're getting ready for Smoky Mountain Bike Week. It's September 28th. I think we're going down October 3rd. So, see us down there. Come say hi. Thanks for watching.
Thanks everybody.
Ben and Dad are arguing right now about the difference between.
So, what would you call this kind of bike right here? Would you call it an adventure bike,
This
dual
is like
sport
a
bike,
sport
street
tour-
bike,
I think it's sport touring.
sport touring?
DL. What does DL stand
The Harley is a sport.
No.
The Harley.
It's just,
The Harley is a sport touring bike.
no, I thought it was a cruiser bike or something.
Yeah, but
I'm not really a Harley guy. I
no,
don't know what to call it.
no, that's not a cruiser. They call them touring.
Call it a chopper.
No, it's not a chopper.
bike.
It's a touring
Touring
bike.
bike?
Yeah, but
Is this a sport touring
I
bike?
No.
put the picture of my bike in the trailer one time on the Dragon Facebook page, and like 600 people told me that that's a touring bike. It's not made to be hauled in the trailer. Randy, is this thing an adventure bike?
So it's the same as that one.
Half-ass adventure bike.
So it is the same as the 1190. Is what you're saying.
I mean, I think it's the same as the 1190.
That's because you're the one that rides it. Nobody else thinks it's an adventure bike.
I guess.
You still videoing, Jerry?
Yeah.
You show them our new hats.
Oh yeah. Check out the new hats.
Got new hats, shirts.
Gray and
Coming soon.
black.